see it next to the new one. All right, basically we're just taking out the stock turbo inlet for the B48 and putting in TPE Precision's upgraded higher flow turbo inlet. As you can see, it's pretty restrictive right here on the factory setup, where it just makes this bend. And I think what TPE was trying to achieve is basically just change the angle of this and kind of largen it a little bit, so that way it just gets a little bit better flow. So let's get it in the car and see how it goes. All right, so another tip, don't forget to swap over your O-rings. Like the new pipe doesn't come with one. So either get new ones or swap your other ones over. And we're actually gonna put a little PTFE grease on here just so it makes it a little easier to install. All right. Obviously I took mine out the bottom. It seems like it might be the easiest way to remove it. Let's see if the larger one can be installed from the bottom as well. Oh. I have to go from the top. All right, definitely easier to install it from the top. All right, go back up, put the bolts in.